Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan for available TV channels on your DYON Movie Smart TV. So before you start scanning, make sure that you have connected either the TV cable or the antenna, the aerial cable or the satellite cable to your TV. And after that, we're gonna have to navigate to the sidebar on the TV and open settings. After that, navigate down to Channel tab and open it. Select Auto Scan and then create a parental control pin if you didn't do this before, if you hadn't done this before. So in my case, the pin code is 1234, but if you haven't created it yet, so you're gonna have to confirm it on the following screen. Then you're gonna have to select the channels channel sources that you want to use to scan for available channels. Now I don't have any cables connected to my TV just yet, so I'm just gonna go with aerial, but you can go with your own selection. Then you're gonna have to click next and customize the channel scanning settings, for example selecting the channel types we want to add, so it can be either all channels that we have in our area available, or we can only add 3 channels if we select 3 channels. And you can also change the scan mode. You can also change the satellite type, and if you don't know your satellite type, you can also perform the auto satellite scan. Unfortunately, I cannot do this in this menu since I didn't select satellite. But basically, yeah, once you have adjusted your scan settings, the channel scan will begin, and then we're just gonna have to wait until the circle is fully filled with this purplish color. And once it is filled, we will see how many channels were added to our device. In my case, there's gonna be no channels, but in your case, surely your device will find some. Okay, and once the scan is finished, just click done, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.